Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. As you already know by the title, we are going to be doing a review on the new e.l.f. Halo Glow filter. As usual, the timestamps will be down below so you guys can skip to the part that you want to see the most. And without further delays, let's just jump right into it. So let me start off with giving you a few highlights about this product. It says that it is a full-size multi-purpose liquid glow booster infused with skin-loving ingredients to give your complexion a soft focus filter effect in real life. Okay, so some of the key ingredients this has is squalene, which is meant to moisturize skin, hyaluronic acid, and finely milled powders to blur lines and pores for a smoother, soft focus look. They come in 8 shades. It's about $18 Canadian. I found mine at Shoppers Drug Mart, but you can also get it from the e.l.f. website. Only thing I saw that in Shoppers Drug Mart, they don't carry all 8 shades. They only carry the first 5. I don't know if they're going to be adding the remaining of the 8 shades later on, but for now I know it's just the first 5 shades. But if you happen to order it from the e.l.f. website, you get all 8 shades. Now I picked up 2 shades here. I picked up the shades 4 and 5. I think 5 would probably be a best match, and then 4 would be kind of like in the winter, but I might even end up mixing the two. I'm just going to put it out there. This is not going to be a comparison video between the two. I'm just going to maybe reference the Charlotte Tilbury a little bit, but I'm not going to do like a side-by-side comparison. I've already done that. I'm going to be uploading that in a different video, so stay tuned for that. What I like about this is that it feels very, very luxe. They come in a glass bottle, and it also has a big jumbo doe foot. I said that this was not going to be a comparison video, but really quickly I want to show you the Charlotte Tilbury as well. So again, this also comes in a glass bottle, and it also comes with a doe foot. But if you were to compare the two sizes of the doe foot, like the Charlotte Tilbury is much smaller than the e.l.f., which doesn't bother me. It's just that the e.l.f. is going to be dispensing out a lot more product. So I just want to show you some of the swatches here. This is the Charlotte Tilbury in the shade 5.5. This is the e.l.f. in the shade 5 and the e.l.f. in the shade 4 that I picked up. So I feel that the 5 is a little too dark for me, like half a shade dark, and then this is a little too light, so I might just end up mixing the two. And then I'm also going to show you the different various ways that you can use this product, because you can use it as a highlighter, a sheer coverage underneath foundation, things like that. So I'm going to be doing all of that later, but let's just start off with the application at this point so you guys can really see. I'm going to be applying this with my BK Beauty 101 brush. Now, I normally don't use a brush for products like this, but I do know that a lot of you out there do that. So let's begin. Okay. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that glow. That is really something. All right, I've zoomed you guys in so you guys can see the difference. So this is the side with the flawless filter, sorry, the Halo Glow filter, and this is the side with no product at all. So you can see that it's just evened out my skin tone really well, and I did mix the two shades together, so it's given me a really nice shade match. The skin looks very luminous, very dewy. It's also not looking too greasy or too metallic either, so it just looks like healthy looking skin. All right, and this is what it's looking like with the full face on. So far, I'm loving it. Now I'm just going to show you the various ways that you can use this product. You can definitely wear it sheer like this and go on top of it with all of your other products, or you can also wear this underneath your foundation or even mix it in with your foundation. So I'm using the McGrath Sublime Skin Fetish foundation here. I'm not going to be mixing any of the product. I just want you guys to see how foundation goes on top of it and if the shine still peeks through. Now that is a great shade match even for the foundation. And I'm using the same brush that I applied the Halo Glow with. All right, so this is with foundation, this is without foundation, and you guys can see that it's still giving me that beautiful luminous glow from underneath, but it's also giving me a little bit more coverage, which is normal because it's a foundation. It's meant to give you that coverage. All right, this is the full face with foundation on both sides. Stunning, beautiful, stunning, love it. Let's move on. I went ahead and applied powder just to my T-zone. You can still see that it's giving me that beautiful glow. It hasn't taken away from anything other than the center of my face. I'm going to be applying blush now, and another way you can use this product is by mixing it in with your blush. I'm taking this one from Daniel Sandler, and I'm going to be taking the shade 4, just mixing those two in, and I'm using a clean brush. And I'm just going to tap that in where it's going to give you that beautiful sheen. So pretty. It's such a nice wash of color, and it's giving you that healthy, luminous skin, basically making it into a luminous blush. Okay, stunning. You could also do this with your liquid bronzer. If you wanted to add a little bit more glow, you can definitely do that. I'm not going to be doing that today, but I will be using this as my highlighter. Not that I need any more glow to my face, but I'm just going to take a little bit of that number 4 onto my hand. I'm just picking this up on a kitten paw brush, and I'm going to go ahead and tap it just to the high points of my cheeks as a highlighter. And now I've just intensified that glow even more. All right, guys, I just wanted you guys to see what my skin is looking like in natural light with this makeup on. I'd say it looks pretty good. It doesn't look cakey or heavy in any way. It also doesn't look greasy. And this is what it's looking like in the sun. It looks very beautiful, very sun-kissed, bronzy, dewy, all the good things. I'm loving it. I'm gonna give you guys one last close-up of what my skin is looking like. I still think that it's giving me a beautiful glow. The blush is still very soft and gentle, but it's also very luminous, and you can definitely work with the intensity of the blushes. I just like having a more softer blush for everyday purposes. But yeah, these are the various ways that you can use this product, and I must say that I am very, very impressed. I do find that the coverage is there as well. And as you saw, it made my skin look so beautifully glowy. It's not for everybody. Not everyone's going to be using it the way I did. That's why I showed you the various ways you could use it. Obviously, if you are an oilier person, you're not going to apply this all over your face, so you're just going to be using it in certain areas, like as a highlight. So this is great for that purpose. It's not a chunky highlight. It's not a blinding highlight either by any means. And it's a drugstore affordable product, and you get quite a bit of it. I don't think I told you how much you get. You get 1.06 fluid ounces, which is slightly a little bit more than the Charlotte Tilbury or your regular foundations or liquid products that you would get in a bottle like this. The only con that I can think of at this point would be the shade range. I think that 8 shades is a good starting point, but I do feel that they can expand their shade range a little bit more, especially now that we know that other brands have expanded their shade range for a similar product like this. Now, if you guys want to see a comparison between this and the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, I'm going to be leaving that link here on the screen somewhere so you guys can click on it and watch that video. As always, thank you for supporting my channel and watching all of my videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!